All right, folks, welcome back to another exciting episode of the Growth Podcast. Today, we're tackling a concept that might just change your perspective entirely. Have you ever felt that you didn't fail, but simply paused, laughs? Picture this. Life hits you like a sledgehammer, and you're stuck questioning if it's truly over. But let me reassure you, setbacks. Well, they're not the end. They're crucial signals. Think about this. It's akin to your GPS recalibrating when you veer off course on a road trip. You wouldn't just stop driving indefinitely, right? You'd adjust your direction.
Oh man, I have totally been there. Like, there was this one time I took a wrong exit on the highway and ended up in… where was it? Oh yeah, it was this strange little town with a giant rubber band ball. Laughs. So, did you just compare life setbacks to a GPS? That's kind of genius. So, you're basically saying those moments aren't failures, but more like, pauses for us to rethink our path?
Bingo, you've got it. Pausing doesn't equate to quitting. It's more about gathering your thoughts and reflecting on the next steps. Picture yourself as a video game character. Sure, you lose a life, but then you respawn. And this time, you come back equipped with more experience, perhaps even a better strategy to conquer that next boss. Chuckles.
Whoa, I feel like my life is just a level that keeps resetting. Giggles. So, could you share an experience where you had to respawn in some part of your life? Like, did you face a significant setback that turned into a setup for something even better?
Oh, absolutely. I vividly remember a time I invested so much into a project that completely bombed. I was devastated. But here's the silver lining. That pain led me to discover what truly resonated with people, something more authentic. So, sure, that project failed, but the lessons I learned during that hiatus were priceless. It was like having an extra life in that video game.
Ah, wow. That's some real wisdom right there. So, do you have any advice for folks who might feel overwhelmed when they hit a pause? Because, it can feel super daunting, you know?
Great question. First off, embrace that pause. Allow yourself to feel whatever emotions surface. Nods. Think of it like going into a cocoon. You're not just idly sitting there, you're actively transforming. While you're in that pause, reflect on what you truly want to achieve. Set small, manageable goals instead of trying to leap straight to the finish line.
That totally makes sense. If you just keep blasting ahead, you might miss crucial collectibles in your life, right? Oh, laughs. So, what's a good first small goal someone could set after realizing they've hit pause?
A fantastic first goal could be as simple as journaling your feelings. It might sound easy, but trust me, it's incredibly powerful. Think of it as your personal debrief after a wild battle. You're collecting intel, making sense of your emotions, and clarifying what's next on your agenda.
Oh, wow, that's such a solid way to gather your thoughts. I keep a notebook by my bed, and sometimes I write down my dream snippets of my wild imagination or things I wish I could achieve. But wait, what if someone's hesitant to return to that hustle? How do you convince them that it's worth jumping back in?
That's the million-dollar question. Smiles. Sometimes it's about redefining what that hustle means. Perhaps for some, it's not about racing full speed ahead. It's about finding a pace that's comfortable. Think of it as a marathon instead of a sprint. You must discover your rhythm and commit to the long game.
Man, I love that. A marathon. Because honestly, who wants to run a full sprint anyway? Laughs. So, to wrap it all up, what's your final takeaway for anyone who feels like they've hit pause?
Remember this. You're not behind. You're simply on a different journey. Just because it seems like you've stopped doesn't imply you're not still growing. So embrace that pause, seek out the lessons, and when you feel ready, hit that play button again. Trust me, your comeback is already loading.
Wow, that's such a powerful reminder. I really feel ready to hit play now. It's like every setback is just a pause in the grand adventure of life. Giggles.
Exactly. Think of each pause as an opportunity to level up. You're not stuck, you're evolving.
Oh man, I'm so pumped about this. Thanks for the inspiration. I guess we can all take those pauses and turn them into the ultimate power-ups in our lives, huh? Times laughs.